Giaole is a southern part of Chianti Classico. Just south of here there's Castelnuovo Berardinga, it's the last of the comuni just south. We're in Giaole, both Badia and Monti are in Giaole. And this would be Monti, kind of almost like a specific subzone. A little bit warmer than the Badia, we're at about 280 meters, so it would be about 800 feet of altitude. And always this mix of forest, uncultivated land and vineyard land. Microclimates here have a big play. So for example, this field here would be very hard to plant to vineyard because it freezes almost every spring. So this small difference in altitude and just the lay of the land is such that here you always get frost late April, and it would kill the buds, and so it wouldn't be easy. It's hard to protect it from frost. We don't have enough water to do a whole irrigation. Irrigation wasn't even allowed in Chianti. This I wanted to point out. I don't walk to the next one over. It's a good overall view. But this is the mother vineyard. So when we started replanting the vineyards in the 80s, we started with this vineyard, and here we selected throughout the vineyards about 500, 600 vines of Sangiovese and propagated those. So most vineyards these days are planted with clones with very few genetic types of grapes. We wanted to maintain the genetic diversity, so there was a 2-year process of screening the vineyards and finding Sangiovese that we liked, individual vines, about 500 of them, and those were transferred, replanted in here. Then from here we keep taking cuttings for the new planting, so it's the original genetic collection that out of what we draw for the new plantings. Another interesting thing is this was a land that at the time wasn't planted with vineyards, because if you go back in history, you had to grow food as well as wine, and a land like this, which is fairly gentle slope and fairly fertile land, not too much rock, you'd plant other things, not grapes. In the old days you'd plant wheat or barley or vegetables or legumes. So vineyards were always in the more difficult part of the land. But now it's changed, so we plant good land in vineyards too.
Successful, well, thank you.